This lecture is about plotting t-distribution using MS Excel software package. Here we have a random variable big X which follows t-distribution with k degrees freedom. So X is distributed as tk. So then the probability density function of this random variable big X is given by this formula. F of x equals gamma of k plus 1 over 2 whole over square root of k pi into gamma of k by 2 whole multiplied by 1 plus x square over k whole raised to power minus k plus 1 by 2. And x ranges between minus infinity to plus infinity. So let's plot the density of this random variable big X which follows t-distribution with k degrees of freedom. So first step is to write the degrees of freedom here. df equals suppose 1 in cell B1. Here in this cell write the values of x ranging between minus 4 and plus 4 with the step size of 0.5. So x minus 4 minus 3.5. Select these two cells, copy it downward up to plus 4. Now here in the next column we need to calculate this f of x. In this cell put an equal sign and type gamma and then k plus 1. K is located in cell B1. Use the dollar sign to fix it. Plus 1. Close this parenthesis divided by 2 slash 2 and then we need to take gamma of this whole expression k plus 1 over 2. So add a parenthesis here at the start and end. So now we have calculated this gamma of k plus 1 over 2. Press enter. K in our case is 1. So 1 plus 1 2 over 2. Gamma of 2 over 2. So it means gamma of 1. Gamma of 1 is 0 factorial which is 1. So that's why we have obtained this 1. So now next task is to divide this gamma of k plus 1 over 2 by this product. So type the slash for division and then type parenthesis and square root k which is located in B1, dollar sign to fix it, k times pi. So for pi we have Excel command pi and then the two parentheses open and close. So now B1 k times pi, we need to close this parenthesis. So this will calculate square root of this and then type asterisk sign for multiplication. Again we have the gamma function, gamma of k over 2. So type gamma, k is located in B1. Use the dollar signs over 2 slash 2, close this parenthesis and close this parenthesis that we added here. So this will calculate this whole thing and the numerator will get divided by this product. So press enter. So now we have calculated this first expression. So multiply this expression with 1 plus x square over k raised to power minus k plus 1 over 2. So go to here, put a asterisk sign for multiplication and then 1 plus x square. X is located in A5. There is no need to put the dollar sign because when you will copy this command downward, A5 will change to A6. So it means this probability density function will get calculated for x equals minus 3.5 and similarly for the rest of the values of random variable big X. So 1 plus x square, put this cap sign and 2 for squaring it and then divided by k slash B1. Use the dollar sign to fix it. Close this parenthesis. So now we have calculated this 1 plus x square over k. Now come to this exponent minus k plus 1 over 2. So raised to power minus k located in B1 plus 1. Close this parenthesis slash 2. Close this parenthesis as well. And now finally you need to close this parenthesis. That's it. So now we have calculated this expression on the right hand side for the probability density function. Press enter. So here is the value of probability density function when random variable x takes value minus 4. Now copy this command downward. So you can see that this A5 changes to A6. Means now we got the value of probability density function when x is minus 3.5. Copy this command downward by double clicking here. That's it. Select these two columns. Go to the insert tab. This scatter chart option. Select this. So here is the density curve of random variable x which follows t-distribution with 1 degrees of freedom.